Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make dry steamed pork ribs. Okay, so it is a steam method, but dry steam, meaning you steam it without water. Actually, in China, this method is basically grill. Okay, so I have some beautiful pork ribs here. This dish is super simple. Marinate this, send it to a steamer, done. Okay. Of course, first of all, you need to prep your pork ribs here. You need to wash it. I usually just you either rinse it under water a few rounds, or you can put in some cornstarch or flour and wash it. Okay. Then we have some salted black bean, some chili padi, some white portion of spring onion, minced ginger, and also minced garlic. Then the seasoning, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, some oil, Shaoxing wine, white pepper, my cooking appa chicken stock powder, some cornstarch, some salt. Right, first of all, I'm going to add in the ginger, garlic, and also spring onion. Salted black bean, and a little bit of chili padi. Yeah, don't put too much chili padi right now. I worry later it will be too spicy. I'll leave some towards the end, yeah? More for garnishing. Then we will start put in the condiment. Give it a bit of oyster sauce. Some light soy sauce. A bit of oil. Shaoxing wine. Few dashes of white pepper. Some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Bit of fine salt. And let's mix all this up first. So why they choose to dry steam? Yeah, there's this very famous restaurant in China. Why they choose to dry steam rather than normal steam? Because when you dry steam, you will actually add on one extra char flavor, which is super fragrant, yeah, to your ribs. And there's no rules as to how you want to marinate your ribs. Really, it's your kitchen, your rule. And to make it more tender, we're going to give it some cornstarch. Right, then we can actually put this into the steaming plate. So get a serving plate and we put the marinated ribs onto it. And you spread it out evenly. So that the cooking process later will be more even also, okay? Wow. Wow, the seller cut it quite big. Actually, the smaller the better. Right? We can send this to the steamer. Right, so I preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We put in the ribs in the middle, and we shall dry steam it or grill it for approximately 13 to 15 minutes. Mine is a combi oven, so I actually choose the option of giving it a little bit of steam also, right? But this is totally optional. The ones in China definitely never use any water at all. Right? It is 100% dry steam and 100% actually, they are using the wok. They're using wok without any water. So it's basically grill. Right, this is after about 15 minutes grilling. Oh, I can see the char on the surface of the ribs. Let me show you. Can you see what I'm looking at right now? Very nice. Now I'm going to take it out. Right, so here's the ribs. Let me garnish it with some chili on top. Okay, you can put some raw garlic on top also, if you like. Yeah. So this is it. Here's my very simple dry steamed pork ribs. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.